Jess, and today I have an inspirational video to share with you. For today's tutorial, we are going to be giving the entryway in our office a makeover with a little bit of paint, fabric, and decor. The entryway is such an important part of your home or office space because it is the place where everyone is welcome into your space. I wanted this tutorial to be budget friendly and beginner friendly so that way if you're new to home decorating or a beginner sewer, these makeover tips are going to be simple to do, and also they won't cost a whole lot to try. In the tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how we added a few boards and paint to create an accent wall of board and batten. Then I'll share a few projects we made, including a bench pillow, fabric baskets for shoes or winter accessories, and a large tote bag to easily stay organized and ready for when you're heading out the door. So let's get started. Here's what the entryway looked like in the beginning. We had originally used our office as a storefront, so there were many holes in the wall from slat wall that was attached in the entryway. After we removed all of the slat wall, we took some white wood filler and a putty knife to fill the holes. For the board and batten, we purchased 1x3 boards for the vertical accents, 1x4 boards for the bottom and upper trim, and a 1x2 board for the top ledge trim. Mitch cut them to size according to the length of the wall and about 2/3 of the height of the wall. And we painted them with a warm beige using Pittsburgh Ultra Satin in Ashen. Then we painted the wall about 2/3 of the way up, leaving the top third white. Once everything was dry, we applied construction adhesive to the wrong side of each of the boards and positioned them on the wall. First, we started with the bottom trim and used a nail gun to secure it to the wall even more. Then we added each of the vertical boards. Since this wall is an odd size, we wanted to make sure the boards were spaced evenly, so we attached the outer boards first, then the boards between. However, if you're adding board and batten to a longer wall, you'll want to space them about 16 inches apart. And finally, we attached the upper trim and the top ledge trim. For the finishing touches, we used wood filler to fill the holes from the nail gun and also along the top and bottom of each vertical board to make the accents appear as if they were a continuous piece. After the wood filler dried, we sanded, then painted over the filler to complete the wall. Once the wall was finished, it was time to style the space. First, I brought in an artificial tree to add some color and natural texture to the entryway. Then I brought in the bench. This bench was nice on its own, but we created a bench pillow to provide some cushion and comfort. This design was inspired by one of my favorite cushions on a stool at my home. This stool was designed by Studio McGee, and I love how the Velcro allows the cushion to be easily removed for washing. We have a step-by-step video tutorial on our YouTube channel to show you how to make this simple and customizable bench pillow project. We used canvas fabric, Velcro, a zipper, and a custom-sized pillow insert to make this project. Next, I brought in some fabric baskets made from our durable cork fabric, which could be used to store shoes, pet accessories, or winter items like hats and gloves. For this project, we used our free custom-sized basket pattern, which we've linked below. And to complete the space, we had to add a bag. This tote is our brand new pattern named Kristin. The Kristin tote bag has a sleek silhouette and simple design that is beginner friendly to make. This tote is spacious on the inside and a blank canvas on the outside, eager to feature embellishments or printed fabrics. So what do you think? Would you try any of these DIY projects? This tutorial was so much fun for me to put together and design. I think you'll feel refreshed and more at home when you add your own personal touch onto your space. If you decide to try any of these projects in your entryway, we would love to see before and after photos. Share photos using hashtag #SallieTomatoMakeover and hashtag #InspiredBySallieTomato so we can celebrate your makeover with you. I wish you all my best, and I hope you'll stick around for more inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on another video. See you next time.